Hello everyone, today's video content is analysis of the real questions of the C1000-175 exam and explanation of relevant knowledge points. The following test questions are all from our question bank and they were updated on November 20, 2024. Exam details. Question 1. Core components of QR radar SIEM architecture. Which of the following are key components of the QR radar SIEM architecture? The knowledge points of this question are components of QR radar SIEM architecture. QR radar SIEM consists of components like the event collector, which gathers log data, and the flow processor, which analyzes network traffic in real time. The log manager stores and organizes all the data for easy retrieval. These parts work together to collect, process, and analyze security information, ensuring the system operates effectively. So, the correct answers are the flow processor is crucial because it analyzes network traffic in real time to spot unusual activity. The log manager is important for storing and organizing all logs so you can easily find and analyze them later. Question 2. Custom DSM behavior during a QR radar upgrade. What happens to custom DSMs when a QR radar system is upgraded? The knowledge points of this question are management of device support modules during upgrades. Custom DSMs are not changed during upgrades, which means all your custom configurations and log parsing rules remain exactly as they were. This ensures that your system continues to process logs as expected without any extra work after the upgrade. So, the correct answer is custom DSMs stay the same during an upgrade. This ensures you don't lose your specific log parsing settings, saving you from reconfiguring everything. Question 3. Difference between flows and events in QR radar. How do flows differ from events in Q radar? The knowledge points of this question are data types and their usage in security monitoring. Events are specific actions, like a user login or a failed password attempt, while flows track ongoing network activity, such as data being transferred between devices. Events focus on single occurrences, whereas flows provide a continuous view of network behavior, giving broader visibility into network traffic. So, the correct answer is flows track ongoing network activity, like how data moves between devices. Events, on the other hand, are specific things that happened, like a user login or a failed password attempt. Question 4. Techniques used for event correlation in SIEM. Which two techniques are widely used in SIEM systems for event correlation? The knowledge points of this question are common techniques for event correlation in SIEM systems. SIEM systems use techniques like heuristic analysis and signature-based detection to spot threats. This looks for unusual patterns or behaviors that might indicate something suspicious, even if it's not a known threat. This matches events to known threat patterns, like recognizing the behavior of specific malware. Together, these methods help the system catch both new and known threats effectively. So the correct answers are behavioral analytics looks for unusual activity by understanding what normal behavior is. Rule-based detection relies on preset rules to catch known issues, like repeated failed logins. Question 5. Predicting security threats with advanced SIEM dashboards. What is a modern method for predicting security threats in SIEM dashboards? The knowledge points of this question are predictive analytics in SIEM. Predictive analytics uses machine learning to analyze patterns in historical and real-time data. This approach allows SIEM dashboards to identify warning signs early and helps security teams address risks before they escalate into incidents. So, the correct answer is machine learning analyzes patterns in your data to predict threats before they happen. It helps you act early instead of waiting for an incident. Question 6. Role of AI in modern SIEM systems. What role does artificial intelligence play in modern SIEM systems? The knowledge points of this question are application of AI in incident detection. AI enhances SIEM systems by finding patterns and anomalies in data automatically. It can adapt to new threats, prioritize alerts, and suggest responses, making security operations faster and more effective. So, the correct answer is AI finds patterns and unusual activity in your data automatically. It learns over time and adapts to new threats, making your security systems smarter and faster. Question 7. Data sources for advanced event correlation in SIEM. Which two data sources are commonly used to enhance event correlation in advanced SIEM systems? The knowledge points of this question are important data sources for improving event correlation in SIEM systems. Good data sources make it easier for SIEM systems to spot threats. Two key examples are these provide real-time updates about known bad actors like malicious IPs or domains, helping the system flag them. These show activity inside apps, making it easier to detect things like unauthorized access or data leaks. These sources add context to the data, making it easier to connect the dots and find real threats. So the correct answers are geolocation data helps spot suspicious logins from unusual places. Threat intelligence gives updates on known bad actors, like malicious IPs or domains, adding important context to your analysis. Question 8. Initial step in SIEM data ingestion. What is the first critical step in the SIEM data ingestion process? The knowledge points of this question are data ingestion process in SIEM systems. The first step is to identify and configure data sources. This means figuring out where your logs are coming from and making sure they're in a format the SIEM can understand. If this step isn't done right, the system might miss important information. So, the correct answer is the first thing you need to do is identify the data sources and their formats. This makes sure the system can process logs correctly and use them for analysis. Question 9. Primary function of data normalization in SIEM. What is the primary purpose of data normalization in SIEM systems? The knowledge points of this question are: purpose of data normalization in SIEM systems. Normalization makes sure logs from different devices use the same format. For example, logs from a firewall and a server might look different, but normalization standardizes them so the system can analyze everything consistently. This helps the SIEM apply rules properly and find patterns more easily. So, the correct answer is normalization makes logs from different devices look the same. This consistency makes it easier to analyze and apply security rules across all your data. If you have any questions about the C1000-175 exam, please leave a message in the comment area or contact us directly. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time.